This is the most practical way to type a lead, so you don't get any knots, it doesn't tangle, and it is super efficient to use the next time. Most important thing is we want to start with our female end of the lead. This is the end that you plug your tools into. You're going to grab this in one hand, you're going to pull your lead as far away as possible, and bring them together, and just grab it with your starting hand that's holding the end of the lead. Now this is a process we're just going to continue doing. We're just going to grab it, pull it through into this hand, and keep grabbing all of them in a loop like this. Okay, so we've got the bulk of our lead here, and we've got the male end, and we've got the other end of the lead. While still holding all of this, I'm going to get the male end, and in the middle of this lead, I'm going to pull it tight and wrap it around, so it's all wrapped together. Once we've wrapped it around and we've only got a short bit left, we're going to go through this middle circle and wrap it through on itself and pull that lead tight. You've now got a handle with that lead to hold it. This lead's now not going to fall apart and you're not going to get any knots. And the most practical thing about this is when you want to run a lead, you're always going to start at the power supply. You've got your male end, you slide it straight through that loop there. All you got to do is unwind it 2 times and your lead's just going to pull off the exact same way you put it on. So I can just walk back now with no knots, just drop my entire lead out.